Today's topic is to replace the list elements with its ordinal numbers. There are three methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach. Method 2, to use an unpack operator. And the method 3, to use an innovate method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. First, we are going to create a function named replace, which is going to pass a list as its parameter. After that, we are returning it only those indexes of our particular list in which that element is present. That is, as you can see it over here, our first sublist, it will be going to have an index 0. So that's why we are replacing all the elements in our sublist with a 0. In our second sublist, which is going to have an index 1, so that's why we are replacing them with 1. And similarly, third sublist with a 2. So we have used over here a list comprehension, that is for each and every element in our length of our list, we are going to have to take each and every element in our sublist, and after that we are replacing them with a particular index of a particular sublist, and after that we are printing it out.